Yes, it is very hard to believe, but this is my brand new iPhone XS. So guys, yesterday I have purchased the iPhone XS in 64GB in gold color variant. So guys, in my today's video, I'm going to be giving you my first initial impressions. Is this a new or a used iPhone? And overall, I'm going to be giving you my first impressions. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated regarding Apple's ecosystem, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, there are two questions. The first question is that did I really needed an upgrade? Because I have been using the iPhone SE for past 3 years and still in 2020 even the first generation iPhone SE is very good in terms of the performance, in terms of the latest software update, and overall it is a nice and a compact smartphone. And in reality this smartphone is very good and I don't at all need any upgrade. But guys, there is the second question that I really wanted an upgrade. Yes guys, I personally always think, like I always make videos related to iPhones, and I personally also feel like the iPhone SE is little bit outdated. We are currently living in a tech era where every single year a new iPhone comes and it kind of makes the consumer believe that they should buy it. But guys, the price tag in India is increasing tremendously, and guys, there is only one reason why I have bought the iPhone XS. Well guys, you all have been observing recently, or most of the times I use content from other creators. Take example of Marques Brownlee, better known as MKBHD. I use most of his videos in my YouTube videos just because I don't have the original product, or in short, I cannot afford to buy a new iPhone every year. And guys, I have been giving all of the credits and sources to his videos so that I'm away from the copyright issue. But on the other hand, I also want to create my own original content, and I want to provide you a great quality content. And guys, I thought it important, and because of this factor, after thinking for a long time, I have finally made a decision and I have finally purchased the iPhone XS. So guys, now let me discuss the second topic, and that is this a new iPhone, a used smartphone, or a refurbished smartphone? And if yes, then what was the price tag? So guys, let me tell you that this iPhone is not at all a brand new iPhone, not at all a used iPhone, and not even a refurbished iPhone. And guys, now let me tell you a short story regarding this iPhone. Well guys, there was a person called as Person A. He purchased the iPhone XS in gold color variant. He used it for some time and later on he by mistakenly broke the smartphone. So he came back to the Apple store and asked the employees that what should we do, and later on the Apple employees said that this iPhone is in warranty and they can replace it with a brand new iPhone. So the Apple employees took the broken iPhone and mailed Apple that they want a replacement unit. So Apple sent a replacement unit to the store which was brand new. And guys, later on the customer changed his decision and he said that I will get a better smartphone. And guys, because of this, he refused to take the replacement piece, and hence the replacement piece was lying in the Apple store. So guys, in simple words, this is a new smartphone and nobody has used it as their primary or as their personal smartphone. So in short, this is next to a original deal. And guys, because of this factor, I got a little bit discount in the price tag of this iPhone. And guys, now everybody will ask me that what was the price tag I purchased it for. Well guys, I cannot tell you the exact price tag, but I can tell you that they are selling a brand new iPhone XS for around 70,500 rupees. Also on Amazon, it is available for around 70,000 rupees. And recently, there was sale going on Flipkart where this iPhone was listed for around 54,000 rupees. So guys, by the help of this video, I wanted to say that I have purchased a new iPhone XS. Well guys, I personally want to say, like, if there was no YouTube, if I was not interested into technology, I would have not even imagined of buying this iPhone. Guys, making videos regarding Apple's products and Apple iPhones is my hobby. I always like to discuss regarding Apple products, and because of this, we have created this community. And guys, I personally feel that this is a good investment. I don't know whether it it is a good thing that I have done or a bad thing, but I am damn sure that with the help of this device I can take my videography or my YouTube channel to the next level. So guys, I hope that you have liked this small video, and if you have any other doubts, any queries, or if you want to talk to me, you can contact me on Instagram. And guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you like to stay updated regarding Apple's ecosystem, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.